You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands till it came.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl in Kim. Today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and installation of a short coily pixie wig. You guys, this is the first time I'm doing this pixie wig on my channel, like a short coily pixie wig on my channel. Like, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm so excited trying out this wig from Geniuswigs. You guys see the wig is from Geniuswigs, and this is the package. This is the box it came in. So let me show you guys what is in the box. Let's see what is in the box. Like, I've not even opened this since they brought this. I've really not been in the mood of, like, you guys don't understand. Like, this is the hair first of all, what you will see in the pack, and then they sent a edge contour brush, and we have a wig cap. We have this scarf here, this edge wrap, and then there's an elastic band, and then they sent this cute clip. So let me just show you guys the hair. Like, for some time now, I've not really been in the mood to just sit on this at the front of this camera to just record anything. Guys, it's been crazy. It's a 6-inch 150 density pixie cut wig, and it's a 4x4 closure wig. You guys see, it's a 4x4 closure wig. The hair came already pre-plucked, and you guys see the lace. So this lace just blends perfectly well with my skin, so I'm just going to throw this on my hair and go. So this wig just fits, like, it's a perfect wig that you need. And I've not really had anything like this before. Like, I've not done anything like this before on my channel, so I'm super excited trying out this wig. So let me just wear it and then show you guys what it is. I'm using the adjustable strap to secure the wig. See how this lace just blends to my skin. You guys cannot even tell the difference between, like, you cannot detect it, you know. So I'm just going to cut out the lace net at the front and then style it. And the wig is super secured, like, you guys, it's tight, so I'm not using any glue to install it. So I'm just going to cut out the lace net at the front. So when I have to cut the lace net at the front, I'm just going to do a side part. I'm using this red head hair stick to just lay down the flyaways, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to flatten it. I took a little section of hair at the front. I'm just going to cut it. I'm using my foaming mousse to lay down and apply on the hair as well. So I'm just going to use this wrap that they brought. I'm just going to tie it, and I like to sit for like 5 to 6 minutes before I take it down. But before then, I'm just going to do my makeup. So guys, here's a final look of this wig. This wig is so beautiful. I love the texture of this wig. I love the coils. Guys, this wig is giving me a whole different vibe. Like, the wig is cute. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. I'm going to leave all details of this wig in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep